Hi! In front of me is POCO F5 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll down to access Display. Following that, scroll down again and click on Font. Then select More next to the Best section for you. In my case, Weekly Peaks. Finally, you can click on one of those font styles. In my case, Cat and Me. Choose Free. Wait couple of seconds and tap on Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, access Display again, scroll down, click on Font, and tap on My Fonts at the top. Then click on Roboto, choose Apply and pick Reboot. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!